How you doing? Just going to do a bit of a talk here on the Erbauer plunge saw. First time actually using the saw with a rail, and it's only a beginner make a model for basically DIY personnel, just doing their own bit of homework. You get basically 2 clamps for clamping onto your piece, on each side. You get 2 rails, so I've only actually got the one here rail which I'm using to cut, and you get your dust collection bag. It does use it. If you use it without it, you'll see how much dust there is. With it, it takes a good lot of the dust away. Has your basic functions on the side of the top of it here. You have a small shallow cut which restricts your movements. You have the full cut of the blade, and then you use this setting here for changing the blade. You have depth gauges here that you can set the depth that you want to cut. So if you wanted to cut 15mm ply or 30mm, 2 sheets together, just set it so it doesn't actually go too deep into the maybe surface that you're cutting on top. You can also do angles. You've also got a kind of a rail guide here on this side which sticks out. It actually feeds into the actual rail here, so it locks it in place. You've got a kickback setting here. It's kind of like a little plunger underneath. It just kind of grabs onto the rail. This grabs onto the rail here as well. Kind of just stops it. You can't move back while this is engaged. You can't pull the saw backwards when this is engaged. So if you want to go back, you need to turn this and pull back on the saw. It's quite good. I've been just starting to use it and find that I'm getting great straight cuts with it. When you first get the actual saw as well, you find the rubber strip here at the edge is actually wider. It's a lot wider, and when you drop the blade down on top of it, it actually hits this rubber. What you actually have to do is set up your rail on a piece of timber like this, set up your saw in place, and then just put the saw setting onto your low here, and then turn the saw on, cut, and it'll actually slice off the plastic right along the way. And then you'll be using this plastic line marker here for your guide. What I mean is, for your guide, if you have your pencil mark here and your pencil mark here, you're actually just going to walk that plastic rubber up to the pencil mark on both sides. Clamp your rail in position so it's on your straight line, and then cut away. €180 screwfix. It only has a 4-foot rail, as I say, but I found out that this saw will work with the Make Festoon rail, which you can buy an 8-foot rail for if you wanted to cut 8x4 sheets. So far so good. Definitely worth a buy if you're looking for just a basic starter plunge saw.